I'm Forrest, an expert in the popping boba pears machinery from Shanghai Food machinery manufacturer. Did you know that more than 3 billion of popping boba are consumed by the popping boba or bubble tea shops from all over the world every year? And today I want to show you that how these little bumps on the tip of our log are industrially manufactured. Okay, let's look at this small popping boba. Many of our customers ask that what should we do? The efficiency of the man-made bobas is low and the quality is unstable. That's exactly the original intention of our research and development of the fifth intelligent production line to achieve perfect balance between the efficiency and the taste. Now, follow me to look at the details of our big capacity popping boba production lines in our factory. This line is ordered by our American customer. This whole production line is divided into 5 parts. The first part is the CIP cleaning system. Second is the cooking system. Then the forming system. The fourth is the sterilization system. And the last is the packaging system. Let's follow me to look them one by one. First, look at this CIP cleaning system. This system is this tank is equipped with the flow meter, and it can, when it works, it can fill with the hot water, acid, and the alkali solution to help automatically cleaning all the production line to save the time. And then come to the cooking system. You know, the raw material of the boba is divided into 2 kinds of solution. One is the shell solution. Another is the center filling solution. These 2 kinds of liquid cannot meet each other before forming. If not, these 2 kinds of solution will have a reaction with each other. It's a bad situation, you know. So they need to separate units for each item. This unit is for the protective liquid. You know, the boba needs to be stored into the protective liquid to let the shelf life more longer. Then come to here. This unit is for the fruit juice concentration. Means the center fill materials cooking. One melting tank, then vacuum cooker come to the storage tank. Different from the shell material cooking system. There and one more tank with the vacuum device, because if you end this device, can remove the bubble and the air in the syrup, can let the taste of boba better. Okay. Then come to the shell materials cooking system, the cooker and the tank. They transfer by the lobe pump and the pipes. You can see the details of the cooker here. It's equipped and designed with the automatic weighing feed. With this, can weigh how many grams raw material you need when it's cooking. So more intelligent and automatically. And you can see this device is a elevator for the raw material. The starch or the sugar can transfer by this elevator to the cooker to save the manual work. After the cooking system, we come to the second part, the forming system. This is our newest model. It's equipped with the PLC intelligent control system. So this system can check the depositing speed and the temperature of the solution directly there. Through this device can reduce the error rate of the whole process. Then come to check the forming head. You can see in total there are 4 sets of depositing head. One depositing head's capacity is 500 kilograms per hour. So in total, its capacity is 2 tons per hour. It's a big capacity for the modernization use. Let's look at the details of the forming head. It's controlled by the servo motor, so ensure the accuracy of this working process. And you can see this hopper is used to fill with the center filling material. And this small tank, one by one, is filled with the sodium alginate solution, the shell material. It drops from above to the below tank to finish the whole forming process. And let's look at the tank. This small tank is fully coated with Teflon to prevent the boba stick on the surface of it. These two solutions meet each other. They will spend like 3 to 4 minutes to react. You can see there is a slip. This slip can help the boba's shape more rounder. Looks more better. And this is the electric control box for the forming system. They are arranged very neatly, and the elements brand is Siemens from Europe and Yaskawa from Japan, like that. So can let our machine be good quality. After the product finished action, they will come from here. This part. There is a filter to separate the boba and the sodium alginate solution. The more sodium alginate solution will be through the recirculation system to use again. You can see here the pump. The pump is for recirculation. The boba will through this cleaning system, and here is device for cleaning again. So in total, we will clean the products twice. There are some products we test in the machine last time. You can take a reference. So the boba is finished. So this is the whole process of making the boba. Now let's look at the sterilization system. Come to follow me. You can see there are sterilization lines in our factory. This is for that line. Come on to look. So this sterilization system can keep the taste of the boba and can let shelf life more longer. So that can let your product enter the global market.
This is our packaging machine. Usually for the boba's packaging way, our customers always choose the bottle packing or the bag packing. Whether you choose what way or prefer which way, we can all meet your demand. So if you are interested in the big capacity boba production line, you are interested in the full automatic and intelligent solution, you can contact us and we can negotiate more details with each other. And so please follow me and subscribe my channel, give me likes. See you next time. Goodbye.